Are you struggling with depression and anxiety? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world experience these conditions, and it's okay to seek help. While traditional treatments like therapy and medication are incredibly important, there are also natural supplements that can play a supportive role in alleviating symptoms. In this video, we're going to dive deep into two powerful natural supplements that have shown promising results in improving mental well-being: omega-3 fatty acids and probiotics. We'll explore the science behind how they work, their potential benefits, and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Remember, I'm not suggesting that these supplements are a magic cure or replacement for professional medical advice, but they can be valuable tools to consider alongside other treatments. Let's start with omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that plays a crucial role in brain health. You know how important your brain is, right? It controls everything you do, how you feel, how you think. Now, our brains love omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA, which are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Think of EPA and DHA as the VIP guests at the brain health party. They help keep the brain cells functioning optimally and support the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine.
Unfortunately, many people don't get enough omega-3s in their diet. This deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of mood disorders like depression. But here's the good news. Supplementing with omega-3s can make a real difference. Studies have shown that taking omega-3 supplements can help reduce symptoms of depression, improve mood, and even enhance the effectiveness of antidepressant medications. Imagine giving your brain the fuel it needs to function at its best.
Now, how much omega-3 should you be taking? Well, a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined per day. You can easily get this through diet by incorporating fatty fish into your meals a couple of times a week. And if you're not a fan of fish, no worries. Omega-3 supplements are readily available in the form of fish oil capsules or algal oil for our vegan friends. Remember, consistency is key. Just like you wouldn't expect to see results from a workout after just one session, it takes time for omega-3s to work their magic on your brain. So be patient and make it a habit to nourish your brain with these essential fats. Now let's talk about the gut-brain connection and how probiotics can play a role in managing depression and anxiety. You might be thinking, the gut? What does my gut have to do with my mental health? Well, get this, your gut is actually home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. Think of your gut as a second brain. It's in constant communication with your brain, sending signals back and forth.
Now, when the balance of bacteria in your gut is disrupted, it can actually impact your mood, leading to increased feelings of anxiety, stress, and even depression. This is where probiotics come in. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your gut health. They help restore the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome.
So how do probiotics affect your mood? Well, it turns out that certain strains of probiotics can actually increase the production of those feel-good neurotransmitters we talked about earlier, like serotonin and GABA. These neurotransmitters play a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, and even appetite. By increasing their levels, probiotics can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and even alleviate symptoms of depression.
Now, there are tons of different probiotic strains out there, but some of the most well-researched strains for mental health include Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium bifidum, and Lactobacillus rhamnosus. You can find these strains in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or you can opt for a high-quality probiotic supplement. Just make sure to choose a reputable brand that clearly lists the strains on the label.
So there you have it. Two powerful natural supplements that can have a positive impact on your mental well-being. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. They can help you determine the right dosage and ensure there are no potential interactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and advice. Remember, before starting any new supplement, always consult with your doctor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.